Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Data Dispatch. I hope everybody is having a great day. Let's talk about C3.AI stock, because right now it's one of the most trending stocks that we're seeing in the AI industry. Now, the question is, we've seen a recent dip about 35% here in the last few days, but a little bit of a rebound on the day. Now, the question is this more of a downfall coming? Is it going to lose support, or is this possibly a buying opportunity? Those are big questions. We're going to be talking about some of the most important things to consider when deciding to possibly take a bet on C3.AI. Now, of course, I'm not a financial advisor, so take everything I say with a grain of salt, and please do your own research before making a bet and an investment decision on more of a speculative type stock like C3.AI. Now, popping up on the screen here, let's talk about where we're sitting at right now, where we're sitting at today. If we look at C3.AI, we can see we're now trading at 33.56. Now, talking about that support zone that we were noting, C3.AI back towards the end of April, beginning of May, was sitting at about that $17. Popping up here over 2xing. You have to keep that in mind. We have over a double in the amount of valuation in terms of the stock, topping out here at that 48.87, now coming down here to the support zone, getting down at 33. This is a big question that everybody is asking. Is this the buying opportunity, or is it going to kind of settle back down even more to that $16, $17 mark? One things that are important to note right now is C3.AI is sitting at a market cap of 3.88 billion. And looking where we've been, looking at its earnings report, it has been doing well. That's why we're seeing a lot of valuation coming into that. Looking at that, it beat its earnings per share, the normalized, by 4 cents and the actual by 8 cents, looking at its last quarter earnings and looking at the quarter earnings and the upcoming quarter earnings, it's expected to continue to do well. Now, one thing that's important to realize about C3.AI is that it's been one of the most popular trending stocks in the AI category. We've seen stocks like AMD, Microsoft, Nvidia, even Tesla gaining lots of traction in becoming these trending stocks. One thing is that C3.AI is basically one of the most volatile. Another important thing to notice is that its earning estimate revisions have been occurring, and looking at its revenue growth forecast, you have many people that are putting a high valuation on them. What do I mean by that is its price to earnings ratio. People are taking a large bet on the future, creating a higher value for the stock by thinking that it's going to do well, growing with the AI industry. However, right now at the Zacks value style score, A to F, letter grade, A being the best and F, C3.AI is actually graded F on the front, indicating that it's trading at a large premium to its peers, and talking about that C3.AI may perform possibly with the broader market, but also may be at way too high of a valuation right now. So holding at the support level could be possible, but if you do have more market sentiment that is going to lead more to a bearish potential, if we have anything that all of a sudden turns course with C3.AI, it could easily lose support and fall back and down into the $16, $17, $18 range. That's kind of the big question here. Possibly, I think in my own personal opinion, I am going to be giving C3.AI a little more time to see what's going to be happening with its price action. Just looking right now, you can see with its current decline and trying to find support, basically as we speak, it's finding support at about that 10-week moving average, which this is actually near the 50% retracement, measuring from the recent high down to the low here in June. Now, this is, like I said, a really tough spot, and a lot of people are kind of questioning, is this an opportunity or is it something that we should wait on? But with a lot of AI stocks that are trending right now as a whole, I think C3.AI, in my opinion, I think joins that list. It's a speculative bet right now to get into, and popping up nearly basically over 100% here in just the last few months is you just have too much people coming into it, which you could have induced FOMO, and we could see the price go back up. You know, we do not know, but that's where I'm sitting at right now with C3.AI. I'll catch you guys later. Take care and peace out.